Ready? Three, two, one, start. Pakistan's tax policy is regressive, unfair, opaque, and complex, and tax administration is one of the most unproductive and corrupt anywhere in the world. Full stop. Little wonder that there is hardly anyone who shows any trust in the nation's tax system. Full stop. Though it's a misplaced argument, most people, especially business persons, would gladly pay more to the government indirectly than become part of a cumbersome system. Full stop. New paragraph. The tiny number of tax filers who overwhelmingly comprise salaried persons and the collection of more than two-thirds of income tax through indirect withholding or advance tax regimes testify to this sad fact. Full stop. Similarly, our ports remain porous as customs allows everyone to understate or overstate the value of their international trade transactions according to their financial interests, albeit for a price. Full stop. The admission by senior officials of the FBR before a parliamentary panel that refund claims of over rupees 532 billion had been blocked since 2014 to show higher growth in collection speaks volumes for the performance of its 2000 odd staffers and how the board operates to hoodwink government and people alike. Full stop. New paragraph. The present tax regime is a major reason behind the distortions in the economy and is at the heart of our fiscal woes as the tax to GDP continues to hover around 10%, one of the world's lowest. Full stop. Ever since it took over, the current government has been struggling to turn around the FBR. Full stop. During this period, 4 FBR chairpersons, including one borrowed from the private sector, have had to leave for failing to improve performance. Full stop. An attempt to replace the FBR with the proposed Pakistan Revenue Authority in winter was thwarted by its senior officers who refused to accept any restructuring or reform plan unless it was approved by them. Full stop. Previous attempts at reform had also failed owing to stiff resistance from the board's senior officers. Full stop. New paragraph. With the country's fiscal situation becoming untenable mainly because of the FBR's incompetence to document the economy and generate enough tax revenues, the government urgently needs to implement serious tax policy and administrative reforms. Full stop. These reforms should focus on documentation of the large informal economy, elimination of presumptuous taxation and withholding regime, dismantling of incentives for tax evasion and dishonesty, simplification of tax laws, reduction in indirect taxation, and so on, besides ensuring transparency and full discourses. Full stop.